If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Brush Settings panel in Photoshop lets you change all the settings of the currently selected painting tool in Photoshop, like the brush tool, for example. To show or hide the brush settings panel in Photoshop, click the Toggle the Brush Settings panel button in the Options bar control panel. If this button doesn't appear in the Options bar control panel for the currently selected tool, then the tool has no brush settings you can change. To change the brush pose settings of a brushstroke in Photoshop, which lets you override the inputs from a tablet and stylus or pen if using them to apply brush strokes, click the Brush Pose brush setting. Doing this also enables this brush setting. To override the x-axis tilt of the pen or stylus, check the Override Tilt X checkbox. If checked, to then set the x-axis tilt to apply instead, use the Tilt X slider or enter a percentage into its adjacent field. To override the y-axis tilt of the pen or stylus, check the Override Tilt Y checkbox. If checked, to then set the y-axis tilt to apply instead, use the Tilt Y slider or enter a percentage into its adjacent field. To override the rotation of the pen or stylus, check the Override Rotation checkbox. If checked, to then set the rotation to apply instead, use the Rotation slider or enter a value in degrees into its adjacent field. To override the pressure of the pen or stylus, check the Override Pressure checkbox. If checked, to then set the pressure to apply instead, use the Pressure slider or enter a percentage into its adjacent field. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.